I don't know why sometimes is the I, something like this happen and come to my text is a copy. I don't know, is it hard coming to my text anyway. Text the key, the value, that was the error. And as you can see, I'm just hearing this the error was nothing, at least for this error, if I don't face any error more, but I'm gonna write, actually this not gonna write the sum of all. Maybe we can write sum of all as well, and just add something else as well and say, okay, my best is going to be best, my best, no, this one no, it's going to be my best, my best dot, was the vote, yeah, I remember it was the vote, and plus, let's make it the int value is the integer, because integer with that capital has two string function. Integer is the value, my best that's value, okay, value that's dot two string, two string, and I'm gonna add something, yeah, my best is the, okay, my best word plus, okay, I'm not gonna just put it in my, because I already have the key, and I'm gonna write it as a counter here. Let's see, I'm just trying to find what is the most repeated word, and that's three errors. Oh, incompatible type string cannot. Okay, that is the not text. Where is it exactly? 106. 106 is there, should be here. 106, what's wrong with that? I'm gonna say my best word. Okay, my best word is the string word. And the new table, my best. Okay, I'm sorry, I shouldn't go for the string anymore because I'm writing here. Why am I doing this problem? Okay, just run again. Okay, more two errors is the static list string. Okay, why am okay? I change. Is it my reduce supposed to be info, and I forgot to say it's I changed it already, and let's see, my list has to be list of the class of the info, and only one row continue text is the class now. Immutable, and what is the right with that? Just the error variable maybe might not have been initialized. Okay, and okay, my best has to be okay. We have to initialize because Java is very perfect is program, and I say info, and when we say it's just put it nothing and zero, just initialize it because it can understand if you don't initialize it, he's gonna maybe it was empty and then he doesn't want to have empty. Okay, as you see, our program is compiled, and we are just writing the context in cleanup. And are we writing the map as well? I think. Okay, we already didn't comment. Okay, let's see what we have here. We could do something else. We could reduce our information in combiner. I'm gonna do that if I have time. Because, okay, it's okay. It's what is this? Is count. Okay, is the This is that is it zooming off? Okay, let's check it. What is wrong with my word? My best value. If the value is the inf more than the best is the my best is the inf. Okay, what's why give me look at oh yeah, yeah. No, the sum of all is being just 172 75. Let's see what's wrong with this one. It's telling me the info value is the minus the best. Okay, I changed the best because I have to. When I change it to best, I have to say, okay, my best is info, and I have to say best is for the next time. You have to because definitely is going to be the last word is there because all of them is more than one. I'm going to say best is equal to my best because my best is info now. I can not confusing you. Say info inf dot value, and because I'm gonna use it that one, I'm gonna say okay, best is my value. Let's see. Run the program. I'm trying to just find the most repeated word in the review file to give some idea about doing the rest. And I just from since now, if somebody asks me a question, I'm gonna come to the video and answer. Maybe this the same question somebody else had. The person who asked me, he wasn't sure about how to repeat separated the review, and I just realized is the already reviews is separated line by line, and you just when you read the first line in the map is the first review. You don't need to do so much things. Is a very simple. I thought it's gonna be every review have a multi lines. As you can see, okay, this is the my best. It's saying that what is that 34,000. Why didn't talk about why you didn't say about the word and this my best word. Info. I'm just writing. Let me just put it the info the key to string, and I add the info. Why didn't just giving me the word? And if I don't say even not right, let's bring it that one to the first writing some of all. I just need the information. Maybe I have a list of info and I say info is my best. The other thing I just in case is to say info value and info word, and I into my best value, and I'm gonna say string. I know it's not different, but I just want to finish it very quickly. String in my best word, and I'm gonna say here best value, and I'm just gonna say best word, and it's going to be information is the word, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say okay, instead of my best word and just my best word, that means I don't need to my info anymore. And let's see, run the program. Is there? I hope it's gonna work. It just because I'm checking if the value is the more than best, and then say okay, there's something wrong because this is the best value. I didn't change it. And info in words, and the words, what is the words is the word is the list in the reducer here. And okay, let's run the and see, hopefully before is a 48 49 50. Come on. Okay, because I still have I have to go for the next video and see what's wrong with that. See you in the next video.